Drug Testing and the Placebo Effect by KayScience.com. Preclinical trials is the first stage of drug testing, whereby the toxicity of the drug is tested on human cells and human tissue in the lab and not on living organisms. So remember, stage 1 is to test the drug on cells and tissues in the lab. So if the drug isn't toxic, you will then test the drug on live animals and you go into animal testing phase. However, if the drug is toxic, you must return to the lab to do more research on the drug to make it not toxic. So now you do animal testing where you give the drug to the animal to check its toxicity. If the drug isn't efficient or kills the animal or shows side effects that are negative, you must then also return back to the lab to do more research on the drug. If the drug does work, you then increase the dosage to find the best dosage, but you must test the drug on a second live mammal before you enter human testing, the human clinical trials. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. So if the drug is not toxic, if the drug works and is efficient, and the best dosage is found in the second live animal trials, you can then move on to clinical trials where the drug is tested on humans. So now clinical trials take place where human volunteers take the drug to test for its toxicity and side effects in humans. You firstly start off by giving them a very, very small dose, and then you will increase the dosage and then increase the dosage again, but still within a very safe level. And if there are no side effects, you will then use the drug on people that have the illness that the drug is designed for. So now you must give the drug to someone who has the illness to see whether or not it is effective against treating the illness in an ill person. And you then will increase the dosage of the drug in the sick people. So remember, you increase the dosage until the optimum dosage is found. That is the dosage that is the most effective with the fewest negative side effects. So how well did the drug work? If it worked and there are very few side effects and it treated the illness, you now need to test the drug in It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Visit KayScience.com to watch videos on other topics, to do practice question worksheets and multiple choice quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.